Welcome to your course within Edgenuity. Many students will contact me asking how to access their course, and I just want to be sure that each student is aware of how to use this dashboard to the best of their ability. So the first thing that I want to remind you of is that if you see this button over here that says course information, if you click on it, this is going to give you the contact information for each of your instructors. So you can see here that this student has me as an instructor, and this is where you can access my email address, my phone number, as well as the links to my Blackboard room, a place to book an appointment, and extra resource pages that I've created, as well as a answer document that will give you information about questions that many students will ask along the way. To get back to the original screen, we're going to click on Dashboard. From here, another important area to be concerned with are your messages. This is a place where each teacher may send you messages. Simply click on See Your Messages, and you will see a screen that gives all your current messages. You simply need to click on the message and it will load below. You can choose to reply to it if you want to answer whichever teacher has sent you a message. Then again, we click on the dashboard to go back. The next most important thing is for you to be able to access your course. You can do this from this academic snapshot square. All you need to do is click on your course and it will take you to where you can work in your class. Don't be fooled by this upcoming events square. This actually is not your course calendar. Your course calendar can only be accessed by clicking and moving into your course. Another helpful button on this page is your academic snapshot. You can click here and it will show you how you're doing in your course. It will show you how you're doing with pacing, how your grade is doing, as well as your activity level. The goal for every student is to have each of these bars to be green at all times. This would mean that you have a passing grade above 70%, that you are on track with your course calendar, and that you are continuing to work on a regular basis. Once again, to get back to the dashboard, you can just click here. If you have any other questions about how to access your course, do not hesitate to get in contact with me. Again, all of my contact information is available to you by clicking on Course Information. Here's my email address, my phone number. My phone number can receive text messages as well as be a place for you to call me. And remember that you can always book an appointment with me by simply clicking on Book an Appointment. I'm here to help you out, so do not hesitate to let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.